When is the best time to plant daffodils?
Right. Once that ground gets soft and we get cool temperatures, and again, I go back to fall planting being not while it's still warm.
While it's still warm.
If they've already gotten a little chill to them, they might go ahead and come up, and you don't want them to do that.
Okay.
So you want to wait till it gets cold.
Wait till it gets cold. Anything to add to that, Rudy?
That's the same thing with that I have to add, is that make sure that the ground is cold.
Okay.
And there's enough moisture in there that at least there's some rainfall, especially in the fall time. And make sure you plant them with the tip up.
Right side up. right side up.
Sometimes you just never know. You never know. Sometimes.
Oh, well, then a word on depth. Sometimes people plant too deep.
Yeah. Let's cover that.
Yeah,
Right.
just-
The little bulbs, you're supposed to plant 3 times the depth.
3 times the depth. Right.
So if you bury little bulbs too deep, you'll never see them, or they'll just have foliage.
Right.
So I count the bulb as 1/3 myself. That's always been my criteria, because I think a
1/3.
lot of people plant too deep, and
deep,
then wonder why they don't flower well.
Okay. So you count as 1/3. All right. I heard that. Okay. Do we have to prepare the ground for them? I mean, most people want to know, do I need to add bone meal,
No.
butt meal, any? Okay.
I mean,
Compost?
You don't need
No.
that.
Not do anything.
I actually like to use a plugger. I take a lawn grass plugger, or I actually have an auger that'll work on some soil. Some of my soil is too hard.
Oh.
Other have to jump up and down on the plugger. But I don't go that deep, right? So it's not too bad.
So it's not too bad. Okay. It's good to know.
Oh, and can we mention the Daffodil Society here in town?
Mention it.
They have a great Daffodil
wow.
Society here. The Dixon Gallery hosts that show every year. So you can go in the spring, look at all the wonderful daffodils, and then come back to the fall sale and get those. So it's a great resource here in Memphis.
Glad you mentioned that. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.